Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PhotoRoom to create logo and branding images. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, you can just begin by tapping on Start from Photo or open an existing design from content icon given at the bottom right corner. If you choose Start from Photo, please make sure to choose an image from your gallery. As soon as you select the image, the PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background and you will be redirected to a page with different editing tools. Within it, you will be given different formats. You can just choose on any based on your needs and preference. Once you tap on the format, it will redirect you to the editor. As the editor opens, you can now start creating your branding image. Within the editing icon options, tap Insert. From the Insert option, you can just scroll down until you see Generate with AI. Within the Generate with AI title, you will see a small arrow icon. Tap on it to open the AI images page. Here, select logo option given. This opens the logo chatbot. Inside the search bar, you can just simply type a prompt describing your logo. After you type your prompt, tap on the arrow icon given beside the text field. The PhotoRoom will now generate logo images based on the prompt. Each generated logo has a three-dotted icon in the top right corner. You can just simply tap on it, and where you can see options like generate two more variations, edit with AI, save and delete. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you tap save, then it will open ready to share page. Here you can choose different export or editing sections. After selecting, simply tap close design at the bottom and the logo is automatically saved to your phone, and you can now insert the logo in the future design anytime. But if you want to update the logo, you can just enter a new text prompt in the chatbot and generate it again. Keep in mind that the AI logo generation is limited, so it usually allows you 3 or 4 times. So if you want to generate multiple times, PhotoRoom may also ask you to upgrade to a paid plan. And that's how you can use PhotoRoom to create logos and branding images using the built-in AI logo generator, which is perfect for startups, online stores as well as personal brand. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.